Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add drop down to your board in Monday.com. So what you want to do is just simply click here, add column, and then click more columns and just write insert drop down. And then you're gonna see the board power up. So drop down, you just want to add it to board. And right here, you're gonna see create a new label, like I don't know, whatever, like simple, hard. And now when we have it, what can I do? I can simply choose from drop down the list or the options. So this is how we can add drop down list to Monday.com. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.